Alright, so y'all saw this get done in the last video. If you haven't, definitely go check it out. This thing looks so good. It doesn't drive that great, but what we'll do now is we'll show you some footage of just kind of putting it around a little bit, just so you can get a feel for it. And then we're thinking we might get some reactions of like taking it to Walmart, like a gas station. It's gonna be really funny, so stay tuned. Let's do this.
Like a mechanical bull. Oh, he's flying. Oh no. Boosted boys, we're coming for you.
Yeah, I think there's shopping carts out there. Look at that, he's pulling up the front wheels. I think that's terminal velocity.
Oh, next stop is the Bonneville Salt Flats.
Damn right.
Next stop, Walmart.
Fitting to take us over to Walmart, drive around the parking lot and stuff, and see if we can get some good reactions.
Yeah, we should.
Hopefully we don't get kicked out, but honestly, like, I don't know who would get really upset about this thing. We're kind of just chilling out.
It's slow, it's dumb looking.
It's quiet, unassuming.
Innocent, refined.
Alright, Jason. Let's go, friends.
Oh, jeez.
Let's roll. That's so ratchet. Let's go. Good content right here, baby.
There's an employee already.
The finest.
He hasn't looked yet. So we're good. It's so tall. He's like the same seating position as us.
I know. He's like car height.
That lady didn't even like give him a second.
There's people. They're gawking. They're gawking.
They're impressed.
Oh, sunglasses down. Sunglasses down.
Oh no.
Oh, he's going right for the crosswalk.
Oh my god.
What a man! What a man!
Oh no.
There's that guy. He's gawking.
Dude, I don't even think there's like a risk.
You should just wait. Oh, I see.
Slow.
Does anyone care? Here, tell me what.
Dude, that old man didn't even look.
That guy look in the white car?
No, yeah, no, the old man in the white car.
I can't see in the windows, so I'm gonna need you to like explain.
Old lady's she scratched her head. Alright.
Is he gonna talk to that guy?
Go. That guy gave him a thumbs up. wait for traffic. Thanks. It's a new prototype. Gotta see if some people need help with their bags. Oh, it's Walmart cart man. Perfect.
Walmart too, like, used to this kind of stuff?
Dude, no way. The employee was
like, yo!
God, I feel like such an idiot. This is what we do for views, guys. This is what it's come to. Not getting enough views, we gotta resort to stuff like this. If this video gets 20,000 likes, I'll drive inside of Walmart. It's a new prototype. There we go. Only the finest.
Alright, successful gas run.
Yep.
He is on the move, people. Alright, there he is.
The man, the myth, the legend. I know they might just like not let him order.
I don't have to care. The ordering. Better order something good.
Well, they have cameras so they can see if you're not in the car.
That's a car.
Yeah. I mean, last time we like walked through, or one time we walked through and they did not.
Hi, can I get a medium chocolate shake and then a large order of fries with a barbecue sauce?
Yeah, medium chocolate shake, large order of fries.
All right, thank you.
Oh, what a man.
True American hero.
Pretty nice, right? Alright, thank you.
He's getting his food.
Oh, he went. Did he go too far?
No, he just barely made it.
Alright. No thanks. Alright, thanks. Thank you. Thanks. Here we go.
He's got the basket for it.
Oh, we're trying to chase Joe down. He's all the way over there.
Oh, I want to take this. I can't hold it.
What'd they say?
I got some fries and some barbecue sauce.
Nice.
It's pretty good. Whataburger service, really nice.
What'd they say? What did they say?
Oh, they like the ride.
Nice.
I mean, no one really bats an eye to this thing. I mean, it looks like they've seen 20 of these before. Maybe they have. It's Texas. You never know.
That's a success. We're at the AutoZone, Walmart. Got lunch at Whataburger. I think I've never cringed harder in my life.
No cops were called.
So, we're gonna load up, call it. I don't even know if this footage is gonna be good enough to actually use, but we're hoping on it. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.